What is up guys, Bala here back with a new tutorial, and this week as you all know I'm going to teach you the cough snare. So so you get so let's go. So the first step you're going to see is that take in air through your mouth. After that just block it here, just have, and the second step is that leave it with a great pressure. So this cough snare is one of the type of snares which we used to see. Take in air through the mouth, build pressure, leave it. The other way you can do the cough snare is this one. So you can whisper loudly, "Hey, what's up? How are you? Do not make noise." Yeah. And this one, and you just have to cough as the name says. And if you combine the both and this, so you get, you will just get a little pressure in your throat. So that's the way you do it. You might have also noticed in my clicks tutorial. So like this. Wait for it. Here it comes. Yeah, like that. So you got it. That's what is the cough snare. So, and yeah, of course, have to go for an example. Let's see when we put in beats. Two. Yeah, best of luck. Guys, that's all. We are done with the cough snare. And by the way, it's an easy sound. Um, yeah, it's an easy sound. Learn it, comment it, and just share, subscribe. Those are not done. Like the video. Will come up soon with the next tutorial. So, bye.